Hello guys, you are welcome back to our channel. In case you are coming across this channel for the first time, this is Eselsa-FX and here's our trading channel, your number one spot for all forms of forex and static indices trading. Here in this channel, we talk about all things concerning forex trading, from technical analysis to risk management and trading psychology. We also discuss other digital skills that will help you position yourself and stay relevant in this digital era. If you are not subscribed to this channel yet, please do well to subscribe and smash that bell notification icon for me so that you'll be notified each time I upload a video like this. It's a new trading week and I would like to share with you a simple trading strategy that will enable you catch some pips this week or any other week in the forex market. I will quickly look at GBPUSD and XAUUSD and share with you my sentiment on this pair. I also teach you a simple stress-free analysis technique that I'll be using to bank some pips from this market on a weekly basis. So stick to the end of this video, smash that like button for me and share this video with other traders out there. Alright, so this is GBPUSD. We are going to analyze GBPUSD so that we understand what our sentiment for the week is going to be. If there's anything you are going to learn from me about forex trading, especially when it comes to technical analysis, is to try to keep your analysis very simple and always trade what you see, guys. Do not stress it. Tell your mentor that Eselsa-FX said when trading and especially when doing analysis, do not stress it. So what is the first thing we usually do when we open a chart like this? When you open a chart like this, you are faced with the candlesticks, right? The green and the red candlesticks. But first of all, you have to know what the trend of the market is. Trend is very important. And as a day trader, for us to know the trend, we quickly move to 4 hours time frame, right? So this is 4 hours time frame. In 4 hours time frame, we actually want to know what the trend of the market is. As you can see, guys, I've been able to draw these trend lines, right? So let me delete everything I have in this chart right now. So this is 4 hours time frame in GBPUSD. From just normal observation, right, you are going to be seeing that actually draw a trend line down here, right? You see this line is obvious where this channel is here. Then if we zoom this chart in properly, you know what that is, actually zoom out or zoom in. But from this angle, we are also going to notice that there's another trend line at this area, right? This is now forming something like a channel, which is obvious. So if you observe closely, you are also going to see this. You are also going to notice that there is a kind of support level here, right? You can see it is obvious. There's a support level around this area. And then if you bring it down also, you'll also notice there's another resistance level here. It's obvious. Then you see that the market has actually been reacting to this zone. So you get on multiple occasions and has not been able to break it. Then if you come down here too, you are also going to see from here that the market has also reacted here. Remember that we are talking about 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. Market has also made all these attempts here to break this area and has not been able to break it. So this is much of the information we can be able to get from 4 hours time frame. Generally, the market is actually at a 4 hours support zone, right? Then when we move to the lower time frame, you can go to 3 hours, but the truth is that whatever you saw in 4 hours is always there in 2 hours. So I usually prefer to skip these 3 hours and 2 hours and then go down directly to my 1 hour time frame. So when we go to 1 hour time frame, what are we going to be seeing in 1 hour time frame? 1 hour time frame will just make the information clearer, right? And you're going to see that these points that we marked in 4 hours are actually obvious points in 1 hour. So the market has been playing around this region and has failed to break it. As you can see, look at how the market has been moving. And our entry time frame is usually 15 minutes time frame, right? When you come to 15 minutes time frame, you are going to be seeing something like this. The market has not been able to break this area. Are you seeing that zone is still visible? And look at it here, gradually trying to move above this area. So look at the place. I'll be looking for opportunity to go long. I don't know how the market will move. Just know that one thing we don't have control over in this market is the market movement. Nobody knows what the market will actually do, but we can actually predict. With knowledge, you can be able to predict. So what I'll be looking for here today is to buy GBPUSD. I'll be looking to buy GBPUSD. If the market breaks this small structure right here, I'll be looking to buy it. I don't know how the market will play around, but look at what I'm expecting. If the market actually breaks this place, I might buy there, or if it pulls back into this place, I will also be looking for opportunity to buy. Are you getting it, guys? So this is just it about GBPUSD. There's no need of stressing yourself. Just do your normal analysis and trade what you see. It is risk management that will keep you in this game. So this is it about GBPUSD. We've been able to do our analysis, and our sentiment for the day is bullish. We are actually going for opportunity to buy GBPUSD around this zone. If the market quickly breaks out of this place, we'll be looking for buy. If the market pulls back into this place and gives us rejection or opportunity to buy, we are also going to be buying. So this zone right here is our area of value. This is the area we are looking at GBPUSD to get an entry today, which is Monday. Right now, you might also want to know, if you take a trade within this zone and your stop loss is around this place, you are going to be risking around 27 pips, and then you'll be targeting around 83 pips. So this is a whopping 1:3 risk to reward ratio trade, and it's very good. So let's see how GBPUSD will play out, and I believe it will work in our favor. Let's see how it goes. Another asset I trade is XAUUSD, which is good, right? And you know what our first step is? Our first step when it comes to market analysis is step 1, go to higher time frame, especially 4 hours time frame, and determine what the trend of the market is. Then look for possible areas of support and resistance, and then wait for the market to approach in your 15 minutes time frame and look for entry. Now this is our 4 hours time frame. Quickly, I don't want this video to be long, right? If you look at 4 hours time frame, what you're going to be seeing is very obvious. It is very obvious that you're going to see this trend line that moves like this, right? I've already marked this out in order not to waste so much time. Look at how the market moved down like this, and then when the market broke this trend line, it found support here, and then it continued rallying up. This is 4 hours time frame. So the obvious trend of the market from what you are seeing is that the market has been able to break that trend line, and now it is moving up like this in this direction. And as you can see, the market has pulled back so many times into key levels, right? The market pulled back into this place, now pulled back and created this level here, and then it has also pulled back into a new level here. I was the one that marked out these small zones here, 1, 2, and as you can see them right here. So now my sentiment in gold is to buy, right? And I'm going to be looking for my buying opportunities in this current zone that the market is. What do I do next? After knowing what the sentiment is and what my overall trend direction is, I'll be going to the lower time frame. Let me just check 1 hour and see whether 1 hour is confirming the analysis I've done in 4 hours. So in 1 hour, you see that the trend is obviously up, right? And the key levels that I marked out in my 4 hours time frame are still valid. Look at how the market pulled back to this trend line, and look at how far it moved. Every attempt that the market has made on this trend line, we are always in the direction of the bulls, right? So as you can see here, my analysis in 4 hours is still properly confirmed in 1 hour, and the market is currently pulled back into this zone right here, and this is where the market is. Now in my 15 minutes time frame, which is my entry time frame, we are now going to specifically look for entry criteria, candlestick pattern, whatever it is within this zone that will make us enter that buy. Even in 15 minutes time frame, you see that this place is also very nice, where I'll be waiting for the market to pull back to. This place is also a very nice area where I'll be waiting for the market to pull back to. So you get now, that's why I told you guys, do not stress yourself when it comes to analysis. You have little or no control over where the market will pull back to or what the market will do next. But all you know is that once you have your risk management plan in place, there is no how you'll not be profitable in the long run. So we are going to be looking for long position. I'm bringing my long position trade here, right? So this is a zone. I'll be waiting for the market. I would prefer the market to pull back here before I enter. At the current price now, I cannot buy. I'll be waiting for the market to pull back to this area before I buy. So once you make your decision on where you want the market to pull back, stick to it and make sure you wait for it to pull back to that place. If the market didn't pull back to where I want and the market breaks this small zone it has created here, I might also be looking for opportunity to buy. Look at this zone created here. The market might break it, come like this, and then the buy is still valid. The market might pull back to this place, the buy is still valid. And if peradventure the market pulls back to this lowest part, the buy is still valid. Are you seeing? So any of these places or zones where the market pulls back to will be an opportunity for me to look for my entry position. So all things being equal, if the market plays out this way, respecting this particular zone I've marked here, you can see that clearly. You're going to be risking, I think, 17 pips here to make 50 something pips. This is also 1:3 risk to reward ratio, which is also a very nice trade. So guys, let's stay hopeful, stay optimistic, put our eyes to the chart, and then see how the market plays out. We are done with two assets, GBPUSD and XAUUSD. So we are going to be looking at this asset to see how it will play out, whether it will respect our analysis or whether it will invalidate our analysis. Remember guys, your key to success in this market is just your risk, right? Make sure you risk properly so that you'll be able to stay long. Even if a trade hits your stop loss, it's not the end of the day. Because I usually tell my trainees that the outcome of a single trade has nothing to do with your overall experience as a trader. One trade alone is not enough to define your success as a trader. But what you do know is that if you keep on following your trading plan, applying proper risk management, in the long run, you are going to come out as a profitable trader. So signing out guys, peace out.